I recently created this entry in my physical journaling Bible, and today I'm recreating it digitally. I'm using the Creative Retreat web digital journaling Bible together with the Broken Cisterns digital pack, and I'll be working with both of these in the GoodNotes app. Once I have my Bible open, I'll flip to Jeremiah 2:13, which is going to be my focus verse for this entry. So on screen here, you'll see me open up both of those files, the Bible and the digital pack. I've put them side by side here so I can see both at the same time. As I begin building my page, I'm going to start dragging those WordFetti pieces across my page by long pressing each sticker and dragging from one document to the other. And I'm going to do all 4 of these that say broken cisterns cannot hold water. I'm dragging all of them, and even though they look really big, I'm going to be able to scale them down with the lasso tool, and I can resize them all at one time. So they're decreasing in size all at the same scale, the same rate, and then I'll be able to position them where I want them. Next, I'm adding this sticker that looks like a little water splash. That's going to go above my 4 WordFetti pieces. The next sticker element is this broken cistern piece. It has a transparent background. I'm just going to lower that down so it's underneath those 4 WordFetti pieces so that everything looks like it's spouting out of the broken cistern. And it's a reminder that broken cisterns cannot hold water. I'm going to size all these just so that they're all kind of in the exact same scale so the words look like they're the same font size. One thing that I'm going to do differently in the digital version versus my physical page that I've already made is I'm going to actually highlight this verse with a light pink, almost like a peachy color, and I'll go in with my highlighter tool and draw right across those words. Then I'm going to go back to that verse with my ball pen, and I'll underline broken cisterns that can hold no water. Again, that's my main idea here, is that the idols that we've created in this broken world, they cannot hold water. They cannot hold the living water that only Jesus provides. So now I'm zooming in here, and I'll add some journaling underneath that cistern. I'm still using my ball pen, and I'm using a black ink and writing, "And this broken world cannot fulfill my soul." So this is a continuation of the statement above. Broken cisterns cannot hold water, and this broken world cannot fulfill my soul. Only Jesus can do that. So if you remember from my physical page, I had also done a line and ink look on this top water splash. So I'm going to take that ball pen again and do a very loose outline for each of the droplets. And then also on my physical page, I had traced the cardstock stickers, the WordFetti pieces, with the same black outline. So I'm going to do the same thing here using the shape tool. So you'll see right up here that there's a little icon that has a few different shapes on it. When I click on that, it has a few different settings. I do not want to use fill color or snap to other shapes. I just want to use this top one that says hold to snap. And then I'll do a rough outline. It doesn't have to be perfect, but kind of the same rectangular shape of each of the WordFetti pieces. And it will create the same effect as it would if I had outlined the physical cardstock sticker. So you can see how these are kind of popping off the page and giving it that contrast that wasn't there before. And it looks like I've taken the pen and hand drawn the outline of each one. So there you have it. I have created a really similar page to my physical entry digitally, and I'll go ahead and close out of my sticker pack, and we'll take one last look at the entire entry. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for joining me here. If you have any questions about digital Bible journaling or the techniques that I used here, please leave those in the comments below. I'll also have everything that I've used linked below, including the digital Bible, the sticker pack, as well as the GoodNotes app.